Hey guys, Paul here. Welcome back to the channel. So here in Colorado, we are getting really close to the snowy winter and I'm getting ready for it with my Model Y. So in today's video, I'll show you how to install the Tesla roof rack and also Yakima wind deflector on Tesla Model Y. So I'll show you what comes in the box, every component, and then step-by-step installation. Shouldn't be really hard to do it. And then at the end, I'll show you how they look on my Tesla Model Y. Now let's go. Let's see what comes in the box of this roof rack system for Tesla Model Y from Tesla and Yakima wind deflector. This is universal wind deflector for any car. Here what came in the box. Let's take a closer look. So this is the roof rack itself. It's one for the front, one for the rear. And all the components, this mounting component. You got a key, measuring tape, and the locking clips, locking nuts, and the mounting base right here. And this is all the plastic covers after you're done installing on both roof racks. And also the PPF sheets. So you have to install this one first. And last but not least, the instruction manual. Here are the components that came in the box of Yakima wind deflector. So just really simple, just wind deflector, shield itself, and the locking brackets. That's it. So we saw everything that came in the box. Now let's go and install it on my Tesla Model Y. Before we start the installation, make sure you clean the glass first. So the glass roof right here, this piece, the main piece, just use a regular glass cleaner to clean. Otherwise you won't be able to see the mounting point markings on here. In the instruction manual it said it should be measuring from here to the marking point about 227 millimeters. Well, let's clean up the glass roof first. Now the surface of the glass is nice and clean. We should be able to see the markings. One more thing, make sure to clean this part too, because that's where you are going to apply the PPF sheet underneath the mounting plate so it doesn't scratch your paint. I think I can see it right now. I'm not sure. I can see it in the camera. It's right here. It's kind of hard to see. It's in the tint. So there are two lines here, and there's like a pointing arrow down here. So if you can't see it, try to measure. You'll find it. And then same thing on the rear. Let me show you. The rear part should be somewhere here. I think I found it right here. So one line, and that is the marking point, and another line here. Right, now we found the line. You just have to apply the PPF first. As you can see here, the PPF sheet is pointing where the location of each PPF sheet is. So this is the front of the car, and this is on the right side, the left side, right side and left side of the rear. So we are going to use the right side of the front first. So just locate that and then point exactly where the arrow is to the arrow on the marking. I mean, get as close as you could and then just apply on it. And just do the same thing on all front and rear. Let me show you real quick. So here's the PPF, and that's a mounting point, and I'm not sure you can see again. So that's the mounting point of the cars. So just make sure it's at the right location, because you'll mount the mounting plate down here. It's a rubber plate, but still this will help extra protection on your paint. Now let me apply each of every corner. So 2 fronts and 2 backs. So I've got all the PPF applied front and rear on both sides. Now we need these 2 right here, this plastic, to help open up the seal on the top, and then after that you'll be able to insert the anchor for the roof rack. So this will open, and then you just insert this down with it and then just turn. So this plastic will help open up the seal. It's like a rubber seal here. Open it up and just pull it, and now just use the anchor. Just follow the point that you put on, there you go, on your PPF, and that's it. Follow that anchor, follow that point. It should match with the point on the roof. Now it should stay straight up like this. Now let's apply the anchor on all 4 corners. Right, so I'm done applying all the anchors. Make sure you see that point in the middle of the anchor, it's aligned, and also point right here on the glass, the middle of the anchor, it's aligned. Now we can apply or install the rubber mount here. Here are the rubber mounts. They also has like labels on them, so which one is for. So you see the car label. This is the front of the car, so this is the left front, right front right here, and then right rear, and then the left rear. Now we can just insert this. So this is the left front. I'll just insert it down, and the anchor that we put in. Shows all the way down. There you go. So yeah, do the same thing on all 4. Alright, next step here, we just have to place the roof rack on all of the mounting bracket that we did. Alright, so the longer one is in the front, and the shorter one is in the back. Okay, so before you place it on, make sure you're facing the right direction here. So this is facing the front. Alright, now place it on. Alright, that's it. Now we have to put in the screw or tighten the nut. Next step here, just tighten the nut here. So use this one, and then just hand screw it in, hand tighten it in first. And then after it's too tight, just use the Allen key that came with the package, and then just turn it. Make sure you're not over tightening it. You might damage your car on the bottom here. So when you you end tightening part, make sure this line align to this line right here. Sure, you can see these 2 lines should be aligned after you're done tightening it. Just do the same thing on all 4 corners. Alright, I'm done tightening up all 4 corners. After you tighten it up, make sure it doesn't move anywhere, Just try to check it. Doesn't make any sound, any noise, or any click, then it's good. Don't over tighten it because you don't want the mounting rubber to get too low as you tighten it down, because it might damage your glass roof here. So it still have a little bit of space, as you can see right there. So it's less likely to damage the glass roof. actually nothing touching the glass roof at all. Everything is based on this point of the car. Now all you need to do is lock it. So just put the key in and then turn counterclockwise, and now it's locked. Just do the same thing on all of them so no one can, you know, steal your roof rack if someone would want to. But just for security, it came with the keys, 2 keys, so you don't lose one of them. Locked. Clockwise on this side and locked. Now I'm ready to put the plastic, which is the last step here. So it's this plastic piece. Let's put all of them on and then we're done with the roof rack. Okay, last step here, just insert this in. This is how to do it. And then that's it. Alright, we are done with Model Y roof rack installation. Really easy to do. Just follow the directions, follow the steps. Super simple to do. Love the new look of Model Y with the roof rack. Okay, so I never had roof rack installed on my Tesla, any of my Tesla before, but I have heard a lot of complaints that it makes a lot of wind noise, because when you drive on a certain speed, probably a higher speed, the wind will keep going through here and here, well, especially in the front. So that creates the noise. That's why I got this Yakima wind deflector. So hopefully this help reduce the noise of the roof rack, and also a little bit better on efficiency, so the deflects the wind up and down better instead of going through that hole over there. So the wind deflector will sit about right here on my Model Y. I got the 46 inch, I believe. Yes, 46 inch. I wanted to try the 52 inch, but I thought it might be a little bit too big. This one, it's like an inch and a half off on the side right here, but I think it looks pretty good. I got this one from Amazon, and I'll make sure to put the link in the description down below too. Now let's install this thing and finish up the roof rack on my Model Y. Installing the wind deflector should be quite simple. So first, attach these brackets, it's right here, to the wind deflector first. So just attach it, clip it on. Each one is different because the hole, you see the hole right here is taller, it's shorter. So make sure you use the right bracket for each hole, and then just included this plastic screw and just pop it in and then just screw it in. And just screw it in. Do the same thing on all of the brackets. Alright, so I installed all of the brackets. As you can see, they're all installed. It's really simple, easy to do. And then before I go up there, let me show you how to do it real quick down here, because it's so much easier to see. So imagine my hand is the bar of the roof rack, and then you just go around it, insert this one, pull it in. You can see this one, pull it in like so, inside the loop, this one, and after that use the included tool to turn this. So just keep turning clockwise and then tighten it up on the roof rack bar. Oh, before you do that, mine already came pre-installed with this protective tape cushions right here, so it doesn't damage the glass of the car, or if you didn't have a glass roof, the roof, not the paint of the car on each of the brackets. You can see here. Right now, let's go up there and then install it. So when you are up here, just measure it up. So this is where your roof racks gonna sit on, and then we'll have to tie up the wind deflector to it, as you can see here. So this will attach to the roof rack. Let me show you real quick. This one right here, this part right here will attach to the roof rack, and then this is how your wind deflector will sit. I would just try to, before you tighten it up, try to place it on the right spot first, and then start tightening up. Alright, I think I got it right in the middle at the perfect spot. So it's like about 2 inches space each side of the car. Because 52-inch on the Yakima wind deflector will be a little bit too long. It would go all the way. I believe it's gonna go all the way out here. I think this one looks pretty good. 46-inch looks really good. Alright, now got everything in. Now we just have to tie it up with the tool. So just basically make sure it's everything staying still. So tie down a little bit and then stop it, and I would try to put it in the belt. On the bottom, as you can see there, the belt. I'll show you real quick. And just put it in the loop on the bottom right there, and then just keep tightening it. Do the same thing on all 4 of them, and we should be done with the whole roof rack package here. Alright, the installation of roof rack for Tesla Model Y and the wind deflector is done. Looks really cool. With that wind deflector, looks really made my Model Y looks really aggressive. It's ready for snowy winter here in Colorado. And if you guys are interested to get the roof rack with lower cost, so if you get it officially from Tesla, it'll be about $500 plus, of course, tax. The reason I got the official one because I used my Tesla points credit and then just got it for free. But if you're looking to buy one, there are many websites out there. I will list some in the description down below, and if I have any discount code for you, I will put it there too. Mostly it's about $200 something for the roof rack system, and they're pretty much, you know, the same. But yeah, it looks really cool. Let me show you the overall look on my Model Y with wind deflector and roof rack. Wow, I love how aggressive it looks on my Model Y, especially with this midnight metallic Model Y color. The reason why I'm going aggressive because I have an upcoming project. This is for mainly Colorado winter and off-roading, because I'll be swapping all the wheels out, and I have these off-road looking wheels and tires ready to go on my Model Y. So these will be the next project. Alright, the installation is done. It's a lot easier than I thought it would be, especially on the roof rack itself. This wind deflector is really straightforward. You just, you know, tie it up and connect to the roof rack in front. But yeah, my car is ready for winter here in Colorado, and can't wait to put those really cool tires, wheels and tires on my Model Y next. And thank you so much guys for watching today's video. I'll make sure to put the link of third-party or aftermarket roof racks as an option in the description down below, and special discount code for you too. And don't forget to click like if you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome contents like this. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.